Alright everybody, this is Jeffrey W. Jansen. Today is July 13th, 2017. The next one, second to last one we're going to go over is our IRS audit services, okay? And what this means is for the IRS audit services is we are going to give our members 50 hours of IRS audit service you ever audited by the IRS. Now remember, we already went over unlimited calls, unlimited questions, including pre-existing. We already went over letters and phone calls. We went over 15 contracts or documents. We went over 24-hour emergency service for all emergency situations. We went over after 90 days, we handle all uncontested name change, uncontested adoption, uncontested divorce, uncontested separation. We went over starting from day one, you get 60 hours of civil trial defense and civil trial defense time. And every year you get 60 hours up to 5 years, which give you 300 hours. We already went over the wills, the healthcare power of attorney, living will, trust for minors. We went over the residential home loans in its entirety, which is separate than the 15 contracted documents and all still part of a plan. We went over all traffic-related situations that kicks in 15 days after you sign up for a membership with Legal Shield, which means we handle all traffic-related situations as long as it's not criminal. Now, the next one we're going to go over is IRS Audit Service. That's one we're on right now. So this one is the IRS Audit Service. I'm going to read exactly off the paper. 1 hour of consultation, advice, or assistance when you're notified of an audit by the IRS. An additional 2.5 hours if a settlement is not achieved within 30 days. If your case goes to court, we'll receive 46.5 hours of your provided law firm services. Coverage for this service begins with a tax return due April 15th of the year you enrolled. Okay? In other words, if you're audited by the IRS, we're going to help you. We're going to go into court for you. We're going to argue it out for you because it does go into court. Or we're going to advise you. We're going to give you assistance, whatever it takes to make sure you're okay. So you're going to get 50 hours of IRS audit service time. Nobody else offers this kind of stuff. And remember, this is for less than $5 a week. Everything I'm telling you so far is $19.95, all in one nice little bundle for you and your family. You, your wife, your husband, your domestic partner, your children, their children, up to age 26, living at home, in college, no limit on children, as long as they have no kids of their own, never had any kids of their own, and never been married. And, okay, if they're in military or college, they're covered. Handicapped, mentally, physically handicapped children, they're all covered for the life with the policy. Okay? So in other words, right now you're going to get 50 hours of IRS audit service. You and your wife or domestic partner would love that because you never know if Uncle Sam is going to audit you or not. Anyway, so we have one more thing to go over. My name is Jeffrey Jansen. You can go to my webpage at www.legalshield.com/hub/Jeffrey W. Jansen. JeffreyWJansen. All right, everybody, I'll talk to you in just a second. We have one more to go over.